And if you get tired of it, a couple of years from now, you can always sell it at a pre-love, store. In South Africa, we have Lavant, we also have Lux City. What's up guys, welcome back to another video. My name is Tlaki and I focus on fashion, luxury, lifestyle and travels. So if you do like watching these sort of videos on YouTube, please do me a favor. Please subscribe below and hit the bell to be alerted every time I post a new video. Like today. Yep, thank you. So anyway guys, today we are reviewing this beautiful Louis Vuitton mini pochette. I did a video about Christmas gift ideas in December 2020, a couple of weeks back, and I featured this cute little bag, not necessarily because of the price point, but just how versatile this bag is. And if you haven't seen that video, please do check it out. I'll link it in the description bar. It is a very interesting one. Like I think I featured some very interesting items. So anyway, this bag comes in 3 different prints. So it comes in this print. This is called the Damier Ebene print. It also comes in the original Louis Vuitton monogram, and it also comes in the Damier Azora. The Damier Azora is actually this lighter print, and the interior also looks exactly like this. So I decided to get it in this print simply because I wanted to use it as more of a handbag, and I wanted to use it as a little catch-all as well, and I also wanted to use it with my bigger bags. So it's quite versatile. You can wear it like so, or you can just unclip it and wear it like this. You can actually even wear it with a strap. So if you have a chain strap from any other bag that is easily removable, you can actually just use it and clip it on here and wear it crossbody. So I always use this this strap that comes with my Alma BB, and I just wear the bag crossbody. This is the only option that I have, to be honest. But if I had a longer chain strap similar to this, I think I would easily put on that chain strap. I've seen a couple of handbags actually at H&M that comes with the removable chain straps. So if you were to get something like this, perhaps if you already have a chain strap from one of those H&M clutch bags, you can always just clip it on and wear it crossbody. So yeah guys, this is what the bag looks like. Now I'm going to show you guys what fits inside. This is what I currently have in this bag. These are the things that I would usually take with me when I go out. So I have a hand cream, I have a lip balm, I have a hand sanitizer, obviously guys, we can't go anywhere without a hand sanitizer now. And I have a mini wallet that obviously if you have a card holder, you can always just take out the cards that you want, that you use, and put them in the card holder to create more space for other things. Unfortunately, I don't have a card holder. This is the only mini wallet that I have, so I have to make it work. Another option is if you just take out your license, your cards, the cards that you would use when you go out, and just to accommodate for other things to throw in here as well. So now we're going to discuss the price point. So I got this last year for about 5.3, and this year Louis Vuitton decided to increase their prices. Most of their popular items have gone up in price. This is sitting around the 6K price point now. To be honest, I'm super glad that I actually got it last year before the price increased. But I still feel like, what, if you love LV, if you are an LV fan and you feel that you don't necessarily have the means or the money to purchase something as expensive as a bag, this could actually be an alternative. This is definitely a good alternative. I mean, even if, yes, I understand, the prices have increased, from 5.3 to a 6K price point, it still makes sense. It still makes sense for one to get this little piece. And if you get tired of it, a couple of years from now, you can always sell it at a pre-loved, store. In South Africa, we have Lavant, we also have Lux City. You can actually go on their website and buy or resell used luxury items. All they have to do is just to authenticate them, just to make sure that people aren't selling them like knockoffs. So if you get tired of it, you can always resell it. That's like an alternative way of actually making money as well. If you get tired of your luxury items, sell them at a pre-loved market, especially if the items are in demand. These sort of things from Louis Vuitton are certainly in demand. And when I travel outside of South Africa, again, to be honest, I think I would want to get the one in the original monogram, simply because it will be cheaper. It will be cheaper than I would purchase it for in South Africa. Well guys, that's all I have for you guys today. Please tell me what your thoughts are about this video. Would you purchase this cutie, or is this not your thing? But anyway, thank you so much for watching. Please let me know in the comments below what sort of videos you'd like to see next and what other reviews you'd like for me to do. Thank you so much for watching, guys. I'll see you in the next one. Mwah! Stay blessed.